I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Guys, welcome to my vlog po. So, nabagyo po. Pagka-curl up po ako. Guys, ang lakas ng hangin dito. Sobra. Oh. Kung makikita niyo na po sa rooftop namin. Tapos yun, ganun. Magka-curl up po ako. Basta malalaman niyo kung ano yun. Kung di niyo alam, makikita niyo mamaya. Wala pa po ring light, promise. Pag nagka-ring light, maganda rin, maliwanag na. Bye-bye.
Lady, go!
So yun guys, nagka-curl up na po ako. Guys, set up ko na po yung video dahil mahaba pa po yan.
When I need motivation, my one solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah, she is always in my corner, right there when I wanna. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. And they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretending? Do you feel like cheating right now? Not really, cause I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
Guys, yun muna po for today. Ano po, kinat ko lang po, tsaka pinabis ko po kasi magtatagal pa po kayo pa panonood. Yun lang ito. Bye-bye.